Good afternoon to everybody. We have the pleasure to have with us Alessandro Ciccarelli, who is CEO at GKSD Procure. Alessandro, could you be so kind to introduce your company?
Hi, Paolo. Hi, everybody. Nice to meet you. I present this new company. GKSD Procure was born 1 year ago, and the strategy and the value proposition of this company is to propose procurement to healthcare companies, in particular in hospital unit.
Thank you. What are the main challenges you see for supply chain?
Yeah, before answer this question, I just give you an overview on my career. I have 22 experience in procurement. My last experience was in as CPO in a big pharmaceutical Italian group, and now I had the opportunity to become a CEO. So I'm very happy that a CPO create value for company, and I become a CEO and I had the opportunity to develop a company for procurement in this market. So concerning your question, of course, now the big challenge of supply chain is for me the resilience and sustainability, of course. When we talk about resilience, we know that after COVID, the supply chain have to guarantee better than before the delivery of the product and services. And for this reason, one of the main goal or one of the main strategic goal is the resilience. And of course, now you know that the supply chain is very high. They have the opportunity to create value with sustainability.
Definitely, yes. And moving to technology, what do you foresee for artificial intelligence in procurement?
Yeah, this is a nice question. You know, it's I think that now the impact is disruptive, because I think the artificial intelligence it's not ready. I think that there is not so much platform of artificial intelligence ready for this big change. But of course, when it become into our procurement function in each company, of course, it will be disruptive. One of the main goal to reach is not only the software, but the change management, because the first obstacle could be the change management, because the people have to change mindset in order to use this new technology. Of course, new generation will be ready to use this kind of technology, of course.
Yes, and there is going to be efficiency, and we think also the opportunity for the good manager to move to activity that are very, let's say, with more value for the corporation. Let's move now according to the one of the challenge you mentioned before, which is sustainability. According to CIPS, sustainability in supply chain will have a relevant impact. What are your predictions?
Yeah, of course, my point for you on this, sustainability in supply chain, the best strategy that you could put in place is to create value. How you can create value with supply chain, sustainability supply chain. You can use your portfolio, your vendor portfolio, better than before, so you can have better relationship, and you can sell the sustainability for your better performing vendor management and suppliers. And why not? You can have a marketing, purchasing issues in order to use this and increase the value of your company thanks to supply chain sustainability.
So let's say, you consider the concept of Porter as sustainability as a competitive advantage a reality that companies should really look not to compliance, but to try to be better than their competitors in managing the sustainability in their supply chain. And what are, in your opinion, the main obstacles in defining a supply relationship management strategy geared towards sustainability?
Yeah, on this aspect, one of the more important obstacle on this is the cost, because since 10 years ago, a lot of company talking about sustainability, a lot of CEO talking about sustainability, but sometimes the sustainability could be a cost, but the best company transform this cost in value. So you have to play on this balance, cost or value, in order to create value for your company. So this interaction, you had to use this for create value for your cost. So the bigger obstacle is the cost. But you can use this in your strategy, because another obstacle could be the size of your supplier. And of course, with your strategic supplier, it will be easy to apply and put in place a new relationship in order to use the sustainability to create value for both companies. The problem could be the smaller supplier, could be an obstacle more high, because now the sustainability in supply chain is starting now. And you can have some problem with your small supplier because they are not ready to give you this value. And why not? They're not ready to be qualified for you, for your company, for your supply chain.
Yes, and we also foresee that for some company, obviously you are now a CEO, so you don't have this problem. But for many CPOs, a problem is that the budget of ESG is still in the function specialized in ESG, while most of the problem, when you want to extend the concept of ESG to the supply chain, the most of the work and the problem is on the table of the CPOs. So there is, in this moment, also a transition that the top management should push very much these two functions to collaborate very closely for embarking the strategic supplier into the sustainability journey. What are the top 3 skills for a CPO?
Yeah, I told you before, I'm very lucky because I was still 2 years ago CPO in different company, big company, and now I'm the CEO of this new adventure in my life. And what I want from my next CPO that he had to work with me, my top skills have to be for me communication, good communication, because he have to help me to communicate how we can create value from procurement to in this case, our customers. It's because my company procurement to healthcare and hospital companies. So first of all, he had to need communication because I need it. The second one is relationship, because my CPO have to improve the relationship with all stakeholder, all shareholder, and not only with the supplier, but in my case also with our customers. The last but not least had to be leader. So the leadership is another capability need that I want from my CPO, because I need a leader because he had to manage, in my case, big team, and I need a leader because the leader had to involve all the company, and I repeat again, because my CPO have to create value with all team procurement of my company.
Thank you very much, Alessandro, for your time, and I wish all the best for your activity.
Thank you, Paolo. Thank you very much.